The following is brought to you by Frontdoor, the one-stop home repair and maintenance app. Download for free today.
If your garbage disposal is not working, run the hot water and then try it again. If this doesn't work, press the reset button at the base of the unit if the motor isn't running. It might just be that the disposal has overheated and switched off. If the unit is jammed, you may need a garbage disposal wrench to fix the issue. Make sure the disposal is turned off, then put the wrench in the hole in the middle of the bottom of the unit and wiggle it back and forth. Plunge the sink. If it's a double sink, seal one of the drains, then plunge the other. You should be able to hear the suction clear the clog. Flush the drain with warm water after clearing. If the previous two methods didn't work, try boiling water and pouring that down the sink. If the water stands in the sink, let it cool, then remove it. You can repeat the process until it works, or you're sure it won't work. Either way, you'll know.
Need help? Download the Frontdoor app today and get one free video chat with a home repair expert.